A pleasant day to each and everyone. We are the teachers from Agustin Abadilla Elementary School, and we are here to present to you our research entitled Integration of Service Learning in Teaching Mathematics to Improve the Academic Performance of Grade 5 Pupils. I am Bowie Muriel J. Aguilar, the lead proponent of this research, and my co-proponents are Nerissa A. Medina and Catherine A. Sales. For the context and rationale of this research, among the subjects in our school, mathematics always yielded as the subject with the lowest mean percentage score, or MPS, in Learning Outcome Assessment, or LOA, for the past 3 years. Thus, this study adopted service learning as a strategy to improve the academic performance in mathematics among grade 5 pupils of the said school. Service learning refers to learning that actively involves students in a wide range of experiences which often benefit others in the community while also advancing the goals of a given curriculum. School-based service activities are paired with structure, preparation, and student reflection. What is unique about service learning is that it offers direct application of theoretical models. Proponents of academic service learning feel that the real-world application of classroom knowledge in a community setting allows students to synthesize course material in more meaningful ways. Common goals achieved by service learning include gaining a deeper understanding of the course curricular content, a broader appreciation of the discipline, and an enhanced sense of civic responsibility according to Kovarik 2020. And for the intervention, service learning is an educational approach where a learner learns theories in classroom and at the same time volunteers with an agency, usually a nonprofit or social service group or within the school community, and engages in reflection activities to deepen their understanding of what is being taught. It is a cycle of theories, practices, and reflection tools to broaden knowledge and critical thinking skills for social change. Service learning involves almost any helping activity. It is generally refers to direct service to individuals, indirect service to people, and advocacy for work.
For the research questions, number 1, what is the result of the pretest before the conduct of the intervention? Number 2, what is the result of the post-test after the conduct of the intervention? Number 3, is there a significant difference on the pretest and post-test before and after the conduct of the intervention? For the methods, the study used pre-experimental 1 group, pre-test, post-test design. The participants were 30 grade 5 pupils and were selected using purposive sampling. The instruments were pre-test and post-test. Data were analyzed using mean, standard deviation, and paired t-tests.
For the results, data shows that the participants' pre-test yielded a mean of 2.1000 and standard deviation of 2.36934. Data shows that the participants' post-test yielded a mean of 18.2000 and standard deviation of 0.01567. Data shows that the test difference of the participants' pre-test and post-test before and after the integration of service learning model, the result obtained the p-value 0.000. This means that there is significant difference between the pre-test and post-test of the participants. For the conclusion, the findings revealed that after the integration of service learning model in teaching mathematics among the participants improved their academic performance. Service learning model positively impact learners in a variety of ways. Service learning improves students' personal efficacy, academic learning outcomes, commitment to service, moral development, and leadership and communication skills. Thank you, and God bless us all.